Stress-free retirement might sound like a distant dream, but the truth is, it can become your reality sooner than you think. If you're feeling anxious about your future financial security or wondering how you can stop worrying about your savings running out, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to make that stress-free retirement happen, and you'll want to stick around to the end to hear one of the best strategies for wealth protection. Now, I want to talk about something that can completely change how you approach retirement: securing your wealth through smart investments. Because when it comes to retirement, it's not just about saving money. It's about protecting it, growing it, and making sure it outlasts you. For retirees looking to protect their hard-earned wealth, a gold IRA has become one of the top choices. In fact, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free guide in the description below, which shows you why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their future. Let's dive into how you can set yourself up for a stress-free retirement. The first step, understanding your financial needs. A common mistake many retirees make is assuming that the same strategies that worked for them while they were working will work in retirement. The reality is, you need to reassess and build a plan that protects your savings from inflation, market volatility, and unforeseen expenses. The second step is diversifying your investments. Relying solely on stocks or bonds can be risky, especially with the instability we've seen in the market recently. Diversification is key, and one of the best ways to diversify? Gold IRAs. Unlike stocks and bonds, which can lose value quickly, gold has a proven track record of maintaining its value, even in tough economic times. If you're not already exploring this option, now's the time. You don't have to worry about the volatility that comes with other investments. With gold IRAs, your wealth is in a tangible, secure asset that's been trusted for centuries. Now, you might be asking, why gold? It's simple. Gold is an asset that holds its value over time, and it acts as a hedge against inflation and market downturns. Think about it. The stock market can crash, and your savings could shrink, but gold remains strong. So if you want to build a truly stress-free retirement, gold IRAs are one of the best ways to safeguard your wealth for the long term. Next, let's talk about protecting your wealth from taxes. The reality is, taxes can eat into your retirement savings if you're not careful. But with a gold IRA, there are tax advantages. Gold IRAs, like other retirement accounts, can be tax deferred, meaning you won't have to pay taxes on your gold until you start taking distributions. This can provide you with a more efficient way to grow your wealth and protect it from unnecessary tax burdens. Now, I want to address a common concern. Many people worry that investing in a gold IRA is complicated, but in reality, it's not. The process is simple, and with the right guidance, you can open a gold IRA and start moving your savings into a more secure asset in no time. In fact, you can start today. And if you're serious about making this happen, check out the free guide in the description for a step-by-step roadmap. At this point, you may be asking, is a gold IRA right for me? If you have at least $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 Malers or more in savings, then absolutely. The truth is, if you want to protect your wealth from the inevitable market fluctuations and economic uncertainty, gold IRAs offer a way to secure your future. This strategy is perfect for American retirees who want to make sure their savings stay safe while they enjoy their retirement years. So, as you think about your future and what you can do to protect your wealth, remember that a stress-free retirement is possible, and it starts with making smart decisions now. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, take action today. Click the first link in the description to learn why thousands of retirees are turning to gold IRAs and how it can help secure your future. Take control of your retirement and make sure you're on the right path to a financially secure, stress-free future.